This training will provide you with the expertise to write successful fundraising proposals. Seeley and Associates, led by CEO Dr. Richard Seeley, has a proven track record of successfully managing project development, fundraising, and project management projects since 1991. Through solid relationships with elected officials, business officials, and government funding agencies, Seeley and Associates has achieved a success rate of over 90% in securing funding for their clients. Dr. Seeley's approach involves building partnerships between clients, members of Congress, government agencies, foundations, and firms to achieve funding objectives while leveraging available resources. This training will provide you with the 7 steps of fundraising success, including selecting the project, organizing the application, identifying and selecting funding opportunities, connecting with the chosen funders, building support for the project, program evaluation/reporting, and publicizing the project. Additionally, we will develop a template for organizing and structuring proposals to increase the likelihood of funding success. Participating in this training will give you valuable insights into successful fundraising and project management and be better equipped to achieve your objectives. For further information, contact Richard Seeley at dickseeley@gmail.com.